some shit like that in the middle of the mountains. Just edit it out. Yeah, we're out in the middle of freaking deliverance.
Yeah, we're definitely hello YouTube. How's everybody out there doing today?
We gotta go out up and over a hill to get there.
We're in the middle of fucking Egypt right now. I'm kind of not happy, to be honest. But the good old Dirty Max, I think, has seen its last leg. I was what? John, you're definitely going on camera.
No, because she just said she said you're out in the middle of nowhere with these rednecks.
Oh my God, we are. I mean, gas prices ain't too bad, but yeah, the good old Dirty Max, guys. She might have seen her last days. I don't know. She is pissing antifreeze. You can see a whole bunch of it under John's freaking boot here. Freaking antifreeze out the ass. It's fucking crazy. So basically, like, we're on our way out because John wanted to buy an ATV.
Maybe if somebody took a responsible vehicle.
Maybe if somebody had a damn truck.
Hey, I got a trailer. I thought we'd share company together.
Why didn't you bring your truck and trailer then?
Huh? Because we could just throw it in the back of this rather than take a trailer. Yep. Hey, is it gonna be all right, Andy, before we go?
Dude, it just got back from 12.
Says,
it literally got back from 1,200 miles in Massachusetts, and it worked phenomenal. It worked phenomenal.
Sure, it'll be all right, Andy?
And it was doing good, man. And all of a sudden, it started leaking antifreeze from way down there somewhere. It's actually, if we look underneath here, it's like really soaking wet, soppy up there. Not really sure where the hell it's coming from. I obviously don't have the tools to take it completely apart and see what needs to be fixed. I only got like, I think my door handle broke this morning. My door handle broke because it was freaking cold, so that broke.
So we're on a roll, basically.
Yeah, we're pretty much on a roll. The minute the door handle broke, I should have known something was up with this truck. But yeah, what kind of ATV were you looking at? A Raptor 700?
Yep.
Yeah, he was looking at a Raptor 700. The guy's actually gonna meet us here at this gas station. We're like literally 9 minutes away from this guy, and the truck's just, I don't feel safe driving it anymore. But I have my little Stanley black chrome toolkit here, and that unfortunately only does so much. So we only took apart a little bit of the truck, and to find out that it's leaking from somewhere that we can't get to anyways. So it's definitely got to be towed back to the shop. No way we're going to be able to drive this puppy. It's donezo. We do have Send a Steve on his way. So he's going to clickbait the hell out of his video and, you know, make me look like a goofball, which I'm totally fine with, totally okay with. But you know, I can't complain, guys. Like almost 500,000 miles, and yeah, there's a lot of little dumb shit happening to this freaking thing, but fuck it. You know, if it's not one thing, it's another. Yeah, we definitely have some nice scenery going on here, and we got a freaking mountain over here. We went over that mountain. We came down off that fucking mountain. It was crazy. And we got more roads that way. You know, people looking at me like I'm weird. Yeah, we're at a golf. We're at some place called Taft Valley's Family Restaurant. Never heard of the fucking place. We're actually gonna go over there and get some food because now we're hungry. Unfortunately, I don't think they have beer, which I could definitely use right now. Man, this freaking thing. I'll tell you what, we were doing good too, and then it started to overheat, started to get hot, and then
we didn't get pulled over.
We didn't get pulled over. We did pass like 20 fucking state cops on 81 South coming here. It was crazy. Like, there's so many police officers that we were passing. I thought we were gonna get pulled over for something stupid like speeding, but they were pulling everybody over. It was crazy. Got 6 gallons of diesel back there. Won't be needing that because I can't run the damn truck right now. So yeah, so right now, as you guys can see, we are waiting for Senate Steve. And then basically what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to get my buddy. I'm gonna leave the truck here. I'm gonna let these guys know. Where are we at?
Orrstown.
We're in Orrstown, PA. Never even heard of the place. So basically, you know, I'm going to leave the truck here for now, probably for the next day or two, and get a utility trailer and get my buddy, he has a Duramax, and have him tow it back to the shop because I just don't want to run it. It's just not safe to run, and I don't want anything bad to happen to it. If it's just like a line leak that I can't get to, it looks like all the front accessories need to come off in order to get to whatever the hell's leaking in this damn thing. And it might have been my leak the whole damn time, to be honest. I don't even know. But I got to take all this stuff apart in order to get to whatever's leaking back there. And hopefully I can do that when I get it back to the shop. Probably sometime this week I'll get it back to the shop. But it's definitely going to be a little bit of an adventure. So we're going to go over here, we're going to eat some food, and we're going to wait for Steve to show up, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Dirty Max has broke down again after 1,200 miles. He's like straight going up the road. Hands cold.
Yeah, a little bit.
He only now told me why we got out here and broke down that he has a trailer.
Yeah, well, I said we'll put it in. He's like, oh, we'll throw it in here. Okay. Yeah. And before we left, hey, Andy, you know, the truck's leaking. Is it all right? We'll make it.
No, oh, we were long gone by the time we heard the truck was leaking. Poor Dirty Max. Poor Dirty Max. Fuck that.
Everybody says that too until they need it.
Listen, you're an emergency call.
Emergency
call, man.
It's weird though because this is gonna get us home.
It is. It is. Hey, you know what's funny?
That's not gonna get us home.
What's funny is I just put 1,200 miles on that son of a bitch, and now it does this to me. You know what I mean?
I'm glad it didn't happen during the trip.
Dude, if it would have happened up there,
if you'd have done that in Massachusetts, I'd have been a little upset that I had to
been. Yeah, I would have been pissed.
I'd have done it.
How much gas you got?
Like a half a tank.
I got 6 gallons. I'll give you.
Yeah. Actually, I was gonna say I have no gas. I have diesel fuel, but I didn't want to do that.
Same difference. I'll give you my 6 gallon. We'll put the 6 gallons in here before we leave, and pack everything out, block that thing up, and then I'm gonna come get it. Unless we can get a trailer, we'll come back another day and grab it real quick. Like, I don't know where it's leaking bad.
Water pump or anything, or?
No, it's not. I think it's a hose in the back somewhere. Like, I just can't. It's behind the power steering pump. I just can't get to it.
Yeah.
Like, I just cannot get to it, man. Like, me and him, we were out. I took the AC condenser off, like the compressor. I'm looking at everything. I'm trying to move stuff around, and I mean, we can see where it's coming from, but where it's coming from, I just don't have the. I'm not trying to stay out here all fucking day tearing front of my truck apart when I can just go home now, have beer, relax, come back, get it later.
Yeah.
And then
I completely get it.
You know what I mean? Like, I'm over it.
Well, let's get her loaded up.
That's probably what my problem was the entire time.
It didn't have beer.
Yeah.
Start putting beer in that thing. It might operate
I should put beer in that thing, man. Just ramp it.
Yeah, sure.
Just ramp it, man. I think you could do it. If you just do like a little bit of a wheelie.
I mean, if you want to buy me a new tailgate, you're more than welcome to try.
Dropped. I definitely want to thank Steve for coming out and rescuing me.
Oh yeah.
You know, we got the good old freaking Ford. The Dirty Max is all done. Freaking. If it wasn't for Steve, I don't know what I'd do.
I know what you'd do.
What would I do? I called Mike. Mike was gonna be my next call, dude.
I called Mike and he was like, "He's how far away?"
Mike was definitely gonna, dude. Mike was definitely gonna be my second call if you didn't come.
Push that little button.
Oh, the poor truck. The poor truck.
It happened.
Grab that gas can out of the back and the funnel. Fill your shit up.
Don't worry about that.
Okay, let's close the hood. I'm gonna make sure I got everything out of here. That's not important. Is it still leaking?
We got a man down.
Is it leaking?
We
Oh, it was.
know that's your puddle.
Yeah,
It's
it
right
was
back
leaking,
to
dude. It was pissing its ass off, man. Like, alrighty. Good thing we got the old Ford here.
We got the old quad loaded up. I'll at least deliver the quad for your buddy.
Shut up. I hate you, man.
Lock her up, we're leaving her behind.
We're leaving her behind. Yeah. That's right side.
You know I gotta play around, right? You think it's got it?
He's just showing off for the Dirty Max, that's all. Steve's an idiot, guys. He's an idiot. Well, here we are in the old Super Dirty. The old Super Dirty. Whee! Whee! It's like a roller coaster ride. There is a very nice mountainy land up here, I'm not gonna lie.
Definitely.
It is pretty sketchy looking. Definitely would not want to go down this in a snowy weather condition.
No.
That would, towing generators,
Definitely not.
that would definitely be a no-no. I'd have to call dispatch and be like, yep, not happening, boss.
Yeah.
You know?
Definitely.
But yeah, look at that. It is pretty. Monetization. Oh, he got ripped off. Oh, that's it. It's done. Blown engine. Take it back. Flooded.
Are you sure this isn't a Duramax?
All right, we're back at Steve's. I'm pretty much gonna make it look like we just came back here.
You of all people know that I like to live my life a little bit on the edge.
So we're here with Steve, and yeah, he's gonna do some stuff. So he needs to get this bumper off here, and he's definitely gonna make it happen.
It's gotta come off. One way or another.
One way or another, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. This is a terrible idea. Oh. Dude, I'm definitely stepping back. This is, oh shit. Got it. Listen, now just hook it up to the cap. Just hook it up to the cap and pull the cap right off. All right, guys, we are back at the shop. Obviously, now the Duramax is broken again. Have to try to figure out a way to get it back to the shop here. It kind of sucks. I'm really getting sick of messing with this thing. But it's probably just an easy, stupid fix, and I just got to tear things apart and get to it when I have time. But, yeah, and we've seen, obviously, we were at Steve's house for a little bit, fucked around there for a little bit and had some fun. Tours freaking his pap cap off of his truck. He has that in his video. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.